Hi friends, good day. If you like to breathe some fresh air, visit Mount Kitanglad Agri Tourism Farm Forest. It is the experience of a real rainforest and is the nearest rainforest in the city of Malaybalay. It's located in Barangay Imbayao. It's just few kilometers away from the national highway in the city proper to Barangay Imbayao, Mount Kitanglad Agri Tourism Farm. Please watch this video. I will tour you around the trail of the Mount Kitanglad Agri-Tourism Farm Forest. Can't be lost in the forest because these plants are planted along the trail. Trees beside the forest are labeled like this one. This is called a wild pine tree, and it's some labels like the economic importance, like wood is excellent for furniture, cabinet, making another decorative work. And this tree is also the favorite tree of the national bird of the Philippines, the Philippine eagle, for nesting when it grows big. Because it grows big so much and it grows so tall. Another tree here beside the trail. It's called Cinnamonum Kalingag. The bark source of cinnamon ingredient for root beer, potential source of essential oil. It's locally used for medicines. So it's educational to visit the Mount Kitanglad Agri Tourism Farm Forest. The trail is so nice and beautiful. Part of the rainforest experience are not just nature and plants and flowers, but also the trail experience and walking in the bridge and in the high trees. The simple hanging bridge that they made here, that we made here, and experience the beauty of nature. See how beautiful it is. There's another bamboo bridge there on the creek. Bird above flying, looking at us. This is how beautiful nature here. Slope areas in the forest are supported with wood for its stairs for you not to experience very hard trail, and you could also experience bamboo bridges along the trail of Mount Kitanglad Agri-Tourism Farm Forest. You could also see some creeks along with So much green. So if you like to experience nature at its best in the nearest rainforest in the city, visit this place, the Mount Kitanglad Agri Tourism Farm Forest. Mount Kitanglad Agri Tourism Farm is not just a forest that you could experience.